Now, we understand.
Thing. Is that supposed to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to like make you feel you're in some sort of ship?
Can I ask the questions, please?
A lot of great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up into psychosis. So I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced, balance the soul.
Thank you for balancing this show out,
This was a complete disaster.
Dude, I love you, man. Are you kidding me?
This is great. This is fantastic. Okay, so here's the deal. I wrote some. Don't know exactly. Is the burrito supreme? Have you had? Have you had the burrito supreme at Taco Bell?
So here we go. I actually am a bean burrito. That's it. I do that at Taco Bell. And I do it pretty often. I've done it after I've been.
And what after March across your forehead and
Equalization, two different hands, holding it. One holds a steak knife, the other one holds a butter knife. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It kind of balanced me off. It feels like an equilibrium. Mind, body, and so science is for the mind. Comedy is for the body, and music is for the soul. So it's like a trichotomy. They're the exact same phenomena. So there's a number of different.
Dude.
Pathological compulsion is an abnormal, constant pursuit.